Starter recoil replacement guide. Ensure the starter recoil is correct as per the manual. Verify starter recoil failure. Engage the engine start or stop control. If the starter rope jams during pulling, it may be a fault with the recoil assembly. Remove the starter recoil. Lay the machine flat on the ground. Use a Phillips screwdriver to remove the 3 screws securing the engine cover. Lift off the cover to expose the starter recoil assembly. Use needle nose pliers to loosen the hose clamp on the fuel line connected to the carburetor end. Pull the fuel line off the carburetor. If the tank contains fuel, plug the line immediately to prevent spills. Press the plastic clips on the starter recoil housing. Lift the fuel tank upwards to detach it from the starter assembly. Use an 8mm open-end wrench to loosen the first screws securing the starter recoil. Lift the starter recoil upwards and remove it. Install the new starter recoil. Give the starter recoil a few pulls to see if it works normally. Install the new starter onto the upper end of the fan blade. Use an 8mm open-end wrench to tighten the first screws fixing the starter. Align the fuel tank with the corresponding slots on the starter and slide it downward into the designated position. Use needle nose pliers to reconnect the fuel line to the carburetor. Ensuring the hose clamp is securely fastened, thread the starter rope through the corresponding hole in the engine cover, then install the cover. Align the screw holes, then use a Phillips screwdriver to tighten the 3 screws securing the engine cover. After installation, pull the starter rope to ensure smooth extension and retraction. If there is noticeable resistance during pulling, the replacement is complete.